It really helped us to improve our application. We can develop up to like 20 times faster than with traditional software development. We were really surprised by how fast the Qubiz team came up to speed. People are really skilled and motivated as well. Hi, Alim. Hi. Welcome to Thinkwise. My name is Jasper Kloost. I'm a CTO here at Thinkwise. I've been working at Thinkwise for over 20 years already. Thinkwise is a Dutch company. We've got about 150 colleagues at the moment. The Thinkwise platform is a low-code, model-driven application development platform. And because we use model-driven development, we can develop up to like 20 times faster than with traditional software development, but also up to 6 times faster than most other low-code platforms that are available in the market. Well, one of our promises that we have at Thinkwise is that all the applications that you create with the platform, they will never age. But to do so, every couple of years, we have to rebuild the application tier and rebuild the user interface in a new technology. The applications are quite complex. The user interface contains, I think, about 3,000 different features that our users can use. So it just takes a lot of time to rebuild everything in a new technology. And that's why we contacted Qubiz to help us and deliver developers and testers to speed up the development process of the new UI. I knew some people professionally that were already doing business with Qubiz, and they had some, great experiences with you guys. We contacted Qubiz and had some sessions up front. And then we also visited Romania to meet the people from Qubiz in real life. During the onboarding, the entire Qubiz team came to the Netherlands, to our office here. They stayed here for a week and they got, we shared all the information and they got to know our colleagues and got to know our processes, our way of working. So yeah, that really helped us to make a flying start with the Qubiz team. Qubiz was different from the other ones because we spoke to management, we spoke to the developers, and it was really clear right away that they had a lot of knowledge about the technologies, the same technologies that we use, but also that they were a very professional organization. All processes were very well defined, and they also used the same way of working that we also use here at Thinkwise. Qubiz doesn't just do what the customer asks. They have their own guidelines and their own technologies that they want to use. So they don't just do what the customer asks, but they really think about it themselves, what is best to do for the customer. They had quite a lot of experience with React already, also in using different parts of React than we did. So that really helped us to improve our application. We have quite a complex product. It's model-driven. It's using runtime interpretation, as we call it, to interpret the model and then at runtime build the UI, for example, in this case. So it's quite complex and it's quite abstract. And we were really surprised by how fast the Qubiz team came up to speed, how well they understood all the different concepts and really made a difference there. At Thinkwise we always try to find ways to do things smarter and to do things better. And that's also something we recognized in Qubiz. They were really thinking about the way we at Thinkwise are doing things, and they also came with suggestions to improve, for example, our code base or our processes. It's really easy to scale up or down if you want, and also if you need some specific expertise that you don't have in-house with your developers, you can always contact Qubiz because they've got quite a large pool of developers and added resources for development and testing. So we could speed up the development process and make sure that we finish the new user interface, I think months or maybe even half a year earlier than we expected before. It's really nice to work with Qubiz. It feels like really we're all working in the same team with the same goal. Communication is going very well. People are really skilled and motivated as well. They're really committed to achieving the goals that we set and the deadlines that we set.